Welcome to today's deep dive into the world of investing, where we uncover the top 5 common mistakes that could be sabotaging your financial success. Let's kick things off with mistake number 1: not doing enough research. Picture this: diving headfirst into an investment without understanding the basics is like driving blindfolded. Research is your compass in the investing world, guiding you to informed decisions and steering you away from potential pitfalls. Now, on to mistake number 2: emotional investing. Emotions like fear and greed can cloud our judgment, leading to impulsive decisions that can derail our financial goals. By setting clear objectives and sticking to a rational plan, we can navigate the turbulent waters of investing with a steady hand. Moving on to mistake number 3: lack of diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket is a risky game. Diversification is the key to spreading risk and maximizing your chances of success. Remember, a well-balanced portfolio is like a safety net that cushions you from market volatility. Next up, mistake number 4: ignoring risk management. Risk is an inherent part of investing, but managing it effectively can make all the difference. Implementing strategies like stop-loss orders and portfolio rebalancing can safeguard your investments and pave the way for long-term growth. And finally, mistake number 5: trying to time the market. Let's face it, predicting market movements is a gamble. Instead of chasing quick wins, consider a patient approach like dollar-cost averaging. This method smooths out market fluctuations and keeps you focused on the bigger picture. By steering clear of these common pitfalls and adopting a disciplined approach to investing, you're setting yourself up for a brighter financial future. So, which of these mistakes have you encountered on your investing journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Until next time, happy investing!